How to quickly get your videos to appear in the suggested and YouTube recommended videos. I spent hours doing research on how to activate the suggested videos and YouTube recommendations algorithms to give your channel massive growth. As a small channel, it is possible. Grab a pen and a piece of paper and let's get into it. What's up, YouTube universe? I hope that you're having a great day so far. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe and tap on the notification button. I'm Brad, and my passion is to provide tips and inspiration for new content creators on YouTube so that you can organically increase your channel views and engagement. Watch this video to the end because we will be learning exactly how to trigger YouTube's suggested videos and activate YouTube recommendations algorithms to promote your videos. As a small channel, it really is possible. You want to be able to break through so that when people are watching other creators' videos that are in your niche, your video should dominate that recommended world, so to speak. There are a lot of ingredients to make this work, so please listen closely. YouTube uses a search and discovery system. Suggested videos are recommended by YouTube based on what viewers were watching right before, related topics, and their history. You can find suggested content on the right side of the watch page or below the video. Suggested videos and recommended videos can be more videos from the current channel or any other channel with related metadata. YouTube's goal is to figure out what the viewer wants to watch next. The platform drives millions of viewers to suggested and recommended videos each day. To get your videos suggested to more viewers, make a strong call to action. Suggest that they watch another video in your series and really sell them on why. Be cognizant of long endings because if someone is feeling an end is coming up, they may move on to another video that might not be from your channel. Use cards, playlists, and end screens to suggest other videos in your channel. Sometimes YouTube uses your titles, descriptions, and tags to match other videos' titles, descriptions, and tags in order to come up with a suggested or recommended video. However, since there are a lot of content on YouTube, your video's engagement plays a major factor in how YouTube decides which videos to promote. Your video's titles, description, and tags should be accurate as to what your videos are about, because if YouTube took the time to feature your video on suggested or recommended sections and users aren't spending much time on your videos, then that video will probably not be promoted again. Creating clickbait titles or tags may sound like a good way to get more views, but it may have a negative effect on your engagement. Learn how to write good titles using newspapers, magazines, and blogs. This brings us to the importance of views, likes, comments, and shares. There are over 500 hours of videos uploaded to YouTube every minute. The more engagement that your video has, the more likely that YouTube will promote your video in the suggested and recommended video sections. The platform wants users to stay on YouTube for as long as possible. So naturally, videos with better engagement will be promoted versus videos that aren't there yet. Make sure that your videos are not too long and stretched out. They should be just right for the topic. People are watching your videos for you, but at the same time, they do not want to be bored. You can trim the fat, remove irrelevant content, and trim down your intro and endings. Sometimes taking a long video and making it two separate parts with different release dates may both intrigue your followers to come back often. In other words, videos that keep viewers watching longer are promoted more often by YouTube. A great way for people to find your video in the suggested or recommended sections of YouTube is to include some of your videos in a playlist. For example, if you do video reviews about the best restaurants in your city, I would encourage you to make a playlist titled "Only the Best Restaurants in Blank City." When you do this, the platform is going to see that your videos in that playlist is related to restaurants and that city. So if someone is watching a video about restaurants or that city or restaurants in that blank city, those videos will have a good shot of showing up in suggested or recommended because of your playlist title. Obviously, this will not work for every video on YouTube because of the vast amounts of content, but having lots of engagement will definitely help. You may also include videos from other creators in your niche for your playlist, especially for those creators that you want to create an association with. This may open the door to a future collaboration or long-term relationship. Do not jump all over the place. Do not try to reach everybody on YouTube. Make videos that are a specific target audience wants to watch. Think about what your viewers would want to watch. What are they looking for? You need to know your target audience so well that you can grab and keep their attention. Keep them throughout the entire video and get them to watch more of your videos. Learn the patterns of what keeps and loses your audience. I know the recommendations that I outline in today's video will help you figure out exactly what you need to do to get promoted in the suggested and recommended sections of YouTube. To continue our journey, please subscribe, tap on the notification button, like, comment, and share this video. Remember, you are only as good as your last video. So for every new video that you produce should be better than the one before it. I'll see you in the next video. God loves you and so do I. Peace.